Hi everyone, welcome back to Nisha's Box. Hope you all are doing good. You all are safe at home. Most of us are working from home. It is being really difficult to balance your work life and your personal life at the same time. So it is very important to take care of ourselves at this meantime. So yeah, in today's video, I will be sharing the review of some of the green care products that you can add in your daily skincare routine, and that too without a hole in your pocket. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Before starting the reviews, I just want to share with you all that Green Cure is a Ayurvedic company. I would rather say that they produce Ayurvedic products with the help of the German technology and with the help of German scientists. So you can say that it is just German technology meets with the Ayurveda. So all the products are 100% natural, paraben free, sulfate free. So I'm just really very happy to see. I'm really very happy to see such brands came up with the idea of 100% natural and paraben free products. And you guys all know that how much I love paraben free products. It is just so nice. It is very safe to use on your skin, on your hairs. So recently I have hands on their 4 products, and the one of my favorite product is this Heal Repair Cream. So I will start off with this. So this Heals Repair Cream comes in this kind of basic cardboard packaging, and it is a 15 gram of product and cost only 56 rupees. Can you imagine a very well-known brand, and 56 rupees of price range is just marvelous, and the quality and the quantity is just enough, and I'm just spellbound by the quality. Currently my mom is using this, and she is just in love with this product as it is non-greasy. It repairs crack heals so fast. So we are now in a winter days, and most of us are having crack heals. So I would suggest them to use this Green Care Heal Repair Cream, and I'm sure they will love it too. It repairs the crack heals, nourishes the crack heals, and also it restored the elasticity of the crack heals. So it is 3-in-1 product. So I would highly suggest this Heal Repair Cream from Green Care. Next product is this Acne Silk Anti-Acne Herbal Cream. So as I said, they are having all the Ayurvedic products, so it is herbal as well, so it do not have any side effects. So being a oily skin person, it is really very hard to find out a great acne cream for yourself, cause you guys will understand that if you have a oily skin like me, we guys always have breakouts throughout the year. So we need a very handy, very affordable acne cream for ourselves, and this Acne Silk cream is the most amazing cream I have got so far, and it works amazingly on skin. It is not greasy. It helps to prevent the future breakouts on your skin. It also helps to prevent the hyperpigmentation. So it is all in one again with the German technology. So, and it is also 15 gram of products and within the price range of 349 rupees. So I would say that it is just awesome, and there are also offers going on their website throughout the year, so you can get it in an offer as well. So yeah, I'm just loving this product. So next I'm gonna be talking about this MagnaActiv Antiseptic Healing Cream. So it is a multi-purpose cream. You can use this on your dry lips, on your dry skin. You can use this on minor cuts, minor burns, minor scratches, and in your cold sores, and in other ways as well, in your elbows, dry elbows, dry lips. And its work marvelous on crack heels as well. So it is a multi-purpose antiseptic cream. Antiseptic creams are just mandatory for every household. It is 30 gram of products and it cost only 70 rupees. So within this price range, Greencare has provided the German technology with the Ayurveda, and I'm just loving this. So next I'm gonna be talking about the Scar Off Anti-Scar Cream. So it is a multi-purpose again scar cream, and it is 100% herbal and also paraben sulfate free and 100% natural. So this kind of creams are really very useful on skin, as it don't have any side effects of it, and it works on every kind of scars, from pigmentation scars to the pimple to the pregnancy stretch mark scars. So it is a multi-purpose scar creams. In Indian market we are having so many scars creams, but the product availability and product costing is very much high, so we cannot always grab those things. But this comes in 15 gram of products, which is enough for 1 month or 2 month use, and then it costs only 349 rupees. Yes, it costs only 349 rupees, which is again a great pricing from Greencare, being the best in the market, being the best quality, which infuses the German technology with the Ayurveda. So I would just highly suggest this. I'm using this Scar Off mask from past 1 week and seeing some great results, and I'm just sure that you will love it too once you use it. I hope the video was helpful. If you are using any of the reviewed product currently and want to share your experience, please let me know in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you all. And Greencare is having the baby products as well, so you can check out their website. I will link down below, and also I have given some coupon codes in my description box so that you can use them, apply them, and have some great discounts as well. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.